Glass Skin Deep Cleaning Blackhead Removal Glow Transformation, clear skin, smooth texture, a natural glow that reflects light. This is what people call glass skin. But behind that glow is a process. In today's treatment, we are performing a glass skin deep cleaning transformation, from clogged pores to a smooth, glowing finish. What prevents glass skin? Glass skin is not just about products. It starts with clean pores. When pores are filled with oil, dirt, dead skin, the skin looks dull, rough, uneven. The problem with clogged skin, even a small amount of buildup, affects how light reflects on the skin. Instead of glowing, the skin looks flat. Step 1. Deep cleansing. We begin with gentle cleansing to remove surface impurities. This prepares the skin for deeper treatment. Step 2. Steam preparation. Steam opens the pores and softens buildup. This helps in smooth extraction. Step 3. Blackhead removal. Blackheads are removed from the pores. Each extraction clears the surface and improves texture. Step 4. Full pore detox. All clogged pores are cleaned. This creates a smooth base for the skin. Step 5. Skin smoothing. After extraction, the skin is treated to smooth the surface. This enhances light reflection. Step 6. Hydration boost. Hydration is applied to lock in moisture. This creates the glass skin effect. Final transformation. Before, clogged pores. Dull texture. After, smooth, clear, glowing skin. The glass skin effect is visible. Final message. Glow doesn't come from the surface. It comes from clean, balanced skin. If you enjoyed this glass skin transformation, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. For more deep pore cleaning, blackhead removal, and satisfying skincare transformations, stay connected.